In this short video, I will show you a review of Essential Cebuano, how to speak and understand Cebuano. We're happy to announce that the famous Essential Cebuano multimedia course by Bud Brown is online again. There are 10 lessons, greetings and leave takings, giving and asking personal information, asking how do you say in Cebuano, visiting a home, shopping at a market, expressing health concerns, what to say at mealtime, talking about the weather, restaurant talk, asking for directions. What is really good with this package is that you will have videos with real conversations, and you will have a vocabulary list, audio files normal and slow speed, and you will also have slideshow lesson videos by Bud Brown and commentary, lesson text practice, and even lesson test questions and answers. So this consists of 3 valuable essential sets: essential phrases, essential vocabulary list, and essential grammar. And this section alone include 20 videos. So in total, 171 pages ebook, 55 plus audio files, and 50 plus videos. So here you can see some examples of the 10 lessons with easy to follow conversation videos. So go to essentialcebuano.com, essentialcebuano.com for more information. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.